Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fast travel in the new Bloxburg update. So you'll just need to go to the bus stop here. You can also rent bikes, well, they're usually near bus stops. Just going to park here, whatever. Press interact and select travel. You can travel to Billy Goat Height, Bloxburg Central, Block C Acres, Cape Beacon, Lakeview Heights, Ocean Avenue, Peak Mountain, etc., etc. I'm going to go to Peak Mountain because I'm curious. I don't think I think it's new. I'm not sure. Well, it's pretty much similar to the it's actually not that far. It's similar to the campsite one, and you can rent a bike here. We'll use it. But yeah, that is it. Basically, I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.